How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys pelvic floor exercises that you can do. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So let's get started right now, you guys. I'm going to show you guys some exercises that you can do at home. First exercise that we're going to do is going to be leg raises. So leg raises is extremely good for pelvic floor. I'll show you guys two exercises and we'll do a little bit of a workout. So first exercise, we're just gonna get into this position. All we're gonna do is we're gonna raise our legs like this. One. We're gonna do 20 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just like that, you guys. Then we're going to take a 30-second break, and then I will show you the next exercise. These exercises are very good. The ones that I show you, I always show you guys the best exercises, and just follow along at home and you guys will see some pretty crazy results. But again, you gotta follow along with me at home. Okay, you guys, next exercise that we're going to do is going to be a side leg lift. So we're going to get into this position, and all we're going to do is lift our leg like this. We're going to do 10 repetitions on each side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go on the other side. We're going to do 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As simple as that, you guys. One last thing I would like to talk about, and that is, I should have maybe I've told you guys this at the start of the video before you did the workout, but you can watch this video over and over again and do the workout multiple times. But what I want to tell you guys is that to feel the pelvic floor muscle working, all you have to do is go to the bathroom, start peeing, stop midstream. So that just means as you're peeing, stop. That muscle that you feel when you stop peeing, that is your pelvic floor muscle or your Kegel muscle, whatever you want to call it. And that is what you should be trying to activate when you are doing these exercises. And that's why these exercises I pick are specially picked, because they activate that muscle group better than most other exercises. So all these are strategically picked. They're not just me picking random exercises. The reason why I pick these exercises are because they are the best ones for your pelvic floor and your Kegel muscles. There are other exercises too that will help. These were just two exercises. I do make more videos on other exercises, so stay tuned and you guys will see more exercises that do hit pelvic floor and your Kegel muscles. So I end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.